20 million tons of gold, 20 million bombs, and the biggest predator on Earth. Welcome to Hidden Facts. Today we're talking about astonishing facts about the mighty and mysterious ocean. Number 8. Ocean contains 20 million tons of gold. Who said gold is scarce? The ocean contains over 20 million tons of gold. Gold is a naturally occurring element found in seawater. Unfortunately, in tiny quantities, typically around 0.01 parts per billion. But the vast size of the ocean means there are around 20 million tons of gold hidden there. It's not economically feasible to extract it using current technology, but some researchers are exploring new ways to extract gold using biosorption, which uses microorganisms to bind and concentrate gold particles. Number 7. Ocean's apex predator. The ocean's largest predator is called the sperm whale. Hold your jokes! Sperm whales are one of the largest whale species, with adult males reaching lengths of up to 20 meters and weighing as much as 60 tons. These massive creatures are known for their distinctive square-shaped heads and ability to dive to incredible depths in search of their preferred prey. Internet jokers, but mostly the giant squid. Sperm whales are apex predators, meaning that they are at the top of the food chain in their ocean ecosystem. They have several adaptations that allow them to hunt effectively in deep water, including a highly developed sonar system that allows them to locate prey in total darkness, and a flexible rib cage that allows their lungs to collapse under pressure, reducing buoyancy and enabling them to dive deeper. Number 6. Ocean saves our climate. Forget about Greta. The ocean is the real hero. It's vital in regulating the Earth's climate. When CO2 dissolves in seawater, it reacts with water molecules to form carbonic acid, which then reacts with other molecules to form bicarbonate and carbonate ions. This process, known as ocean acidification, helps to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the ocean. In fact, the ocean is estimated to have absorbed around 25% of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities since the start of the Industrial Revolution. Without this natural carbon sink, the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere would be even higher, and the impacts of climate change would be even more severe. Number 5. How do ocean tides work? The ocean's tides are a fascinating and complex phenomenon. It's caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on the Earth's oceanic and atmospheric systems. As the moon orbits around the Earth, its gravitational pull creates a bulge in the ocean on the side of the Earth facing the moon, and a corresponding bulge on the opposite side of the planet. This creates a high tide at the points on the Earth's surface where the ocean bulges outwards, and a low tide at the points where the ocean is pulled away from the surface. The sun also has a gravitational pull on the Earth's ocean, although it is weaker than the moon's pull due to the greater distance between the sun and the Earth. However, when the gravitational pulls of the sun and the moon align during a full or new moon, this can create even stronger tides known as spring tides. Number 4. Water mountains beat earth mountains. Seamounts can range in size and shape, with some rising just a few hundred feet from the ocean floor, while others can soar more than 10,000 feet high. Massive underwater mountains can be found in the world's oceans. They're formed by volcanic activity, either through seafloor eruptions or underwater hotspots that create magma that rises to the surface. Some seamounts are even taller than some of the world's highest mountains, such as Mount Everest. Number 3. These microscopic organisms produce more than half of the world's oxygen. These microscopic organisms produce more than half of the world's oxygen. We're talking about phytoplankton, a tiny single-celled plant that lives near the ocean's surface. They use sunlight and nutrients for photosynthesis, converting carbon dioxide in water into oxygen and organic matter. Despite their small size, phytoplankton is incredibly important for the health of the ocean and the planet. They form the base of the marine food chain, providing food for zooplankton, which is eaten by larger marine animals. Phytoplankton also plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and producing oxygen. Number 2. Ocean waves can reach 100 feet. One of the most well-known ocean wave types is swells, large rolling waves generated by strong winds blowing over the ocean's surface. Some swells can travel thousands of miles across the open ocean and reach heights of more than 100 feet. The ocean's waves are generated by various factors, including wind, currents, and tides. Another type of ocean wave is the rogue wave, a large and exceptionally powerful wave that can occur in the open ocean. They can be extremely dangerous to ships and are responsible for numerous maritime accidents and fatalities. Number 1. 20 million tons of bombs are hidden here. During and after World War II, significant military equipment and supplies, including unexploded bombs, chemical weapons, and other hazardous materials, were dumped into the ocean. Some materials were deliberately disposed of at sea, while others were lost during transport or abandoned after the war. Today, the ocean is estimated to contain more than 20 million tons of these hazardous materials. The bombs and other explosive devices can still be active and pose a danger to shipping and fishing vessels, while chemical weapons can leak into the ocean and contaminate the water and marine life. Efforts are underway to locate and remove these hazardous materials from the ocean. Still, progress has been slow and the task is daunting. Want to find out more about the ocean? Let us know in the comments section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can enjoy the excellent content we send your way.